Welcome. In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your phone doesn't want to detect your SIM card. So the first thing that you should check is the way your SIM card is inserted. I'm gonna show you the proper way that your SIM card should be inserted into the smartphone. So carefully open the SIM card slot, which is located on the back or on the bottom cover, bottom edge of your smartphone. Remove the SIM card slowly and carefully. And now see if you inserted your SIM card this way. You can also grab your SIM card and use a dry towel to wipe it carefully. Try not to damage the contacts too much. So wipe it carefully and then reinsert it into the SIM card slot this way. Carefully. And then check if your device started detecting your SIM card. And in case it didn't, then you can take the SIM card out of your phone and try inserting it into another device and check if the other device can detect it. And in case your SIM card is detectable on the other smartphone, then you should check for software updates on your phone, because maybe this is the problem. So to check for software updates, go to settings. In settings, select system and update section. Go to software update and check if your device has any updates to install. And if it does, take your time to install them. And in case this doesn't help, then you can go to the previous section, which is system and update. Select backup and reset, reset phone, reset network and Bluetooth settings, then confirm. And then your phone should start detecting your SIM card. And that's it. I hope that this video helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.